That's what you call a misshift. Alright, 2023 YFZ450, Tony Verano's race quad. We're going on rear axle number 3. He's bent 2 factory axles. We got a Dominator 2 that's on it now. Swapped out the tires. We've got rear bead locks on it with his factory KTM rear tires. We got skinnier front tires that are 2 inches shorter. This thing points and steers so much better. Turned around and dropped the upper shock adjusters 1 o'clock to 2 o'clock. And the suspension seems to be running a lot better. Quad goes in the direction that he points it now. So we got a steering stabilizer to put on it next. That's when we get it. Other than that, we got some tests and tuning on the track. He's going to go through, see how the new setup works. And he's also going to learn what a misshift is. It's probably the first time he's missed a gear, because he was definitely a little surprised on that. I was too. Haven't heard a hard misshift in a long time, and yeah, when the transmission goes in between 2 different gears and then falls into a gear, it could blow the transmission, but he didn't, which is good because he's got a race coming up.
Wow.
And the champ's got a hold of his spot, so we'll keep him running. He keeps winning. Well, thank you all for the views. Make sure you watch these videos all the way through. Throw some comments in there. Give me some feedback. It's really, really appreciated. Like these kind of videos, go ahead and hit the like button. The trike world's been under fire. BBC got shut down. DT got shut down. Some kind of safety commission thing. I've got a short on that with the actual file. So if you want to read the file, it's on the short. And y'all have a great day. Enjoy the rest of the video. More laps, more jumps, more fun. Thank y'all, and see you in the next one. far in the video, really appreciate it. View watch time is critical on YouTube. So go ahead, if you like these kinds of videos, don't forget, share, like, comment. It all helps the channel out. The more we get interactions, the further the channel goes. Really appreciate it, guys. Really appreciate the support. It means a lot. See you in the next one, and have a great day. Still a little bit of time left on this one. Try and do some reshaping labs. Talk about redoing the track.